Power BI cannot import data from an Excel workbook which has password protection in place. However, when you attempt to connect to such a workbook, the error that's displayed doesn't really give you much of a clue as to what the problem actually is. So let's take an example. In 04, connecting to Excel data, let's open up file number 4, password. And you'll see it's password protected. The password is in the file called password.txt, so we could copy it and just paste it in, and then we can open the file. Unfortunately, none of that logic can be carried across to Power BI. So now let's look at what happens when we attempt to connect to that file from within Power BI. Let's open up connecting to Excel files.pbix. And in the Home tab, let's click the Excel button to connect to the password protected file. Number 4, password. And you'll see that we're presented with an error, which is rather misleading. It says we're unable to connect, we encountered an error while trying to connect, details, file contains corrupted data. And this sounds fairly definite. And of course, if you take this error message literally, you could waste a lot of time contacting someone to say it appears that your Excel file is corrupted. So just remember that if you get this error message when connecting to an Excel file, then you can almost certainly assume that the problem is simply caused by attempting to connect to a password protected file.